Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how can you install Docker on your Windows 11 PC. So let's get started. So first, just open a browser here, and now go to the search bar and type for Docker Dock and enter to search it, and you click on the first option there. Now you can see the get Docker here and click on the button there. Now scroll down and you can see there are three platforms here, which is for Mac, Docker for Windows, and also for Linux. So we're going to go for Windows. Now click on the first option, which is the Docker Desktop for Windows x86 version. Click on it to download the installer. Now scroll down and check for the system requirements. So you need to have WSL version 2.1 or higher to install Docker. Go to the Windows R and type for CMD to open command prompt. Now type for WSL. Click enter, and now you can show that it is not installed yet. Now press enter again to install. Now wait for it to download WSL. So it might just take some minutes for it to download and install. So if you encounter any problems, please leave a comment down below and I will try my best to help you. If this video helps you, can like my video and also subscribe to the channel, and I will share more videos about it. Okay, so now it is successfully installed. Now I will just close command prompt. Okay, so after that, just go to Windows R again to run, and now type in WinVer to check the Windows 11 version here, and I have 24H2, which the requirement is 22H2 or higher, so I meet the requirements and I can install Docker here. So now I'm just going to close all the windows here, and also just go to downloads folder and run the installer that we downloaded just now. Click run. Okay, so now a pop-up window is running, and for the configuration just click OK, and now wait for the Docker Desktop installer to install Docker. The process will take about 2 or 3 minutes, so I'll just fast forward this part and head to the section after the installation. Okay, so now its installation is succeed, and now you need to restart your computer. So now click on the button for close and restart to restart your computer. Okay, so now I have restarted the computer, and you will see this window being pop up automatically. So you need to accept the terms and condition here. Click on accept, and now you can see Docker is asking you can skip the sign in page, and now wait for the Docker engine to start. So you can see another window here showing about WSL, and you can see some information about it because that I have just installed WSL. So you can close it first, and now just continue to wait for Docker Desktop to start the engine. Okay, so now you can see that Docker Desktop is successfully running, and you can show that the engine is running down below, and you have these several tabs here: containers, images, volumes, and you can set up Docker as you like now. Please like and subscribe to the channel if this video is useful for you, and if you have any problems, leave a comment down below and I'll try my best to help you. So I'll see you next time, and bye.